Hello, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum. This is our session of peer counseling. We will be discussing here about chapter 7 in management course, the problems we are facing, and we will try to solve within our friends. These are my friends. Hi,
Hello.
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 how are you, Badan?
How are you, Badan?
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So,
firstly, I will discuss my part, the part which I think I am confident about. And if you guys have any problem, you might ask question.
Okay.
So I will be discussing about kinds of organizational plans. There are three types of plans. First of them is strategic plan. This is usually a general plan set by and for top management that outlines resource allocation, priorities, and action steps to achieve strategic goals. Second of them is tactical plans, a plan aimed at achieving the tactical goals set by and or for middle management. Third of them is operational plans, short term focus plans that are set by and for lower level managers. However, there are a few organizational plans which I mentioned here, which I think I am confident about. So now, if you guys have any question about it, you may go ahead.
So Rohit, do operational plans overcome strategic plans?
Yes, Badon, operational plan overcome strategic plan. Oh no, operation plan does not overcome strategic plan because operation plans are the short-term focus plan. Usually, this is set by managers, and this is set in aiming for a short-term focus. Whereas strategic plan is the general plan through which an business goes through to their operation.
Okay,
And
thank
Um,
you.
any more question?
is tactical plan effective in making a business plan?
Yes, sometimes tactical plans are effective because this is a plan aimed at achieving the tactical goal set by middle management. Sometimes business do make some tactical plans, thinking they might achieve the goal they aim. Sometimes they fail, or sometimes they even achieve. Well, this and any more question, guys?
No.
No.
Okay,
Thank you, Rohit.
you're most welcome.
Okay. Assalamualaikum, ma'am. It's me, Afrin Khan. Now I'm going to talk about responsibilities for planning. This is my part, and if you guys have any questions, please do ask me. So, responsibilities for planning, planning stuff, planning task force, um, board of directors, chief executive officers, executive committees, line management. And here are some of brief discussions. Planning stuff. Gather. It's all about gathering information, coordinating planning activities, and take a broader view to individual managers. Planning task force. It's created when the organization wants a special circumstances addressed. Board of directors. It is established corporate. It is the main thing about establishing corporate missions and strategies. It engages strategies planning and chief executive officers. It is the part where it serves as president, as board chairperson, and it is the main thing that we can do for major role playing. And then executive committee. It is the composed of top executive officers and line management. It has formal authorities and responsibilities for management for the organization. Do you guys have any questions to ask? My part is ending. Eliza.
Okay, Afrin,
হ্যাঁ
what do you mean by executive officer?
Chief Executive Officer. It may serve as president, then or board chairperson. It has a major role in planning.
Okay, thank you. So why planning task force is made? Okay, thank you. Okay, now I will be discussing about the organizational goals and the kinds of goals. ইকো হচ্ছে হুম তাই না রোহিত ইকো হচ্ছে না?
হ্যাঁ, ইকো হচ্ছে।
এখন মনে হয় ঠিক আছে।
হ্যালো রোহিত, শুনতে পাও না? ওর মাইক অফ।
Okay, now I will be discussing about the organizational goals. The purpose of goals are provide guidance and unified direction for people in the organization, strongly affect on the quality of other aspects of planning, and serves as a source of motivation for the employee. Provides a mechanism for evaluation and controls of the organization. There are three kinds of goals: by level, by area, and by time frame. By level, there are mission statement, strategic goals, tactical goals, operational goals. And by area, there are different functional areas of the organization. And by time frame, long term, intermediate term, or short term time frame are explicit time frame or open ended. So, do you have any question regarding my topic, my
Yes, Badana,
friends?
I have a question. What are the various kinds of goals?
Okay, the various kinds of goal I already discussed. There are by level, by area, and by time frame. Okay, any more
Um,
question?
And
um,
could you
okay, Riza, go ahead.
please explain the purpose of goals, Maliha?
Okay, okay, fine. I'm again explaining the purpose of goal. The purpose of goal are serving as a source of motivation for employees or strongly affect on the quality of other aspects of planning, as well as provides guidance and an unified direction for people in the organization.
Okay, Badan, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Badhan. Uh, Assalamu alaikum, Miss. My name is Eliza Hussain. Now I'd like to talk about the time frames for planning. So, planning must provide sufficient time to fulfill the managerial commitments involved. There are three types of plans: long range plans, intermediate plans, and short range plans. Do you have any questions, guys?
Yes, what does a
Yes,
long
yes.
range plan include?
Yeah, a long range plan is a set of goals that beyond 5 years that outlines the path for the company's future. Actually, these types of plan differs for each department and involves monitoring and evaluating activities as well as establishing goals that individuals expect to achieve 5 or more years ahead. Any question?
Yes, I
Anyone?
have a question.
Hmm.
How long is intermediate range planning?
Intermediate planning predominantly involves a time perspective of between 1 and 5 years because of the uncertainties associated with long range plans. Intermediate plans are the primary concern of most organizations. Thank you.
Okay. So, if there is any more question, guys,
No, we are done, I think.
No.
so we can sum up our peer counseling.
Yes.
Finally.
Oh, okay, man. So this was our peer counseling for the semester of summer management course. Well, ma'am, and this was our group, and we discussed our problems and the part we were strong on. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Balon, please close the recording.